Assalamualaikum and have a good day to all panels. My name is Muhammad Zulkifley bin Jaafar. I am final year student of Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical. So today I will present the final year project proposal, which is design and fabricate water trap for vacuum pump inlet system. My supervisor is Engineer Technologist Dr. Azli bin Razak. My co-supervisor is Mr. Hud Bin Razak. My presentation slide will cover introduction, literature review of my study, problem statement, objective, methodology, expected results, Gantt chart, conclusion, and references. So, as you can see here, this is the existing water trap picture taken from vacuum priming system. I will start with introduction. Armada Petroleum Sdn Berhad, expert in pipeline pre-commissioning service. Pre-commissioning service is a process of proving ability of pipeline and a piping system contain a product without leaking. Vacuum analysis test for flexible pipeline, one of the pre-commissioning package provided by Armada Petroleum Sdn Berhad. During vacuum analysis test in operation, the pump is frequently not functioning because the water or water vapor directly enter the pump. Therefore, it will disturb the performance of pump. To overcome the problem, water trap can be implemented at the inlet vacuum pump. Some design criteria take into consideration to design the water trap. Design criteria such as size of pipe, pipe material, pipe connection, and one more is the best position for water trap in order to trap the water. In this picture, show that the vacuum analysis test operation. Vacuum analysis test use vacuum pressure driven by rotary vane pump to check the condition of pipeline, whether it's leaking or normal. The concern is presence of water from the leaking pipeline will damage the rotary vane pump because it enter directly into the pump. As you can see here, this is the component has pressure gauge, data logger, and air regulator. There are no water separator to separate water from enter the pump. We at literature review. Literature review will cover two study. First, air water separation design efficiency, and the second, pipeline design criteria. First, we go to the air water separation design efficiency. According to N. Panopoulos and D. Margaris in 2015, air separator efficiency value for separation in horizontal rectangular pipe is high as the diameter of pipe is high at low or high water supply, but the volume flow must be at a low level. G. Markrigianis and D. Margaris in 2020 state that reduced T-junctions do not act as good phase separator since a large decrement in their phase splitting performance occur. Both studies show that the design of air water separation will affect the efficiency of water separation. Next, piping design criteria. According to Vicente Raja, M. Magatushiwaran, C. Karthik, S. Rajarajan, and D. Shanmuga Vadavil in the 2005 state that the straight pipe can be performed using bending machine to create multiple degree of bend and shape into desired form. Design criteria is a very well planning in order to design the pipe. This study is concerned because vacuum pump suck water from leaking pipeline that contain seawater cannot be detected. This is because piping is not transparent. Besides, water enter vacuum pump directly can reduce pump lifetime or broken. Both is a problem statement that the study is involved. The objective of the study is first to design water trap on pipe fitting for inlet water pump. Second is to fabricate water trap on pipe fitting for inlet water pump. And the number 3 is to test the performance of water trap. This is the flowchart of the project. There are 4 methodologies in order to achieve the objective. First methodology is determine best location for the water trap. The water trap position will be determined using design calculation formula. This is important in order to improve the efficiency of the water trap. Next methodology is design a water trap. The design criteria for the water trap take into consideration such as piping size, fitting, connection, pipe material, and etc. After that, the water trap CAD modeling will sketch using CATIA or SolidWorks. Water trap will undergo several design process such as planning and embodiment design. Next step is fabricate. Procurement will update all the components used in this fabrication, such as vacuum pump, data logger, air regulator, and fabricate piping. And the last methodology is the test the performance of the water trap. The water trap will be tested using 2 conditions, leaking or normal of vessel or piping. These 4 methodology will undergo to achieve the objective, which is to test the performance of a water trap. Expected result for this study is first, the best location of water trap in between vacuum pump inlet can be determined. This location is very important because the good location for water trap will increase the efficiency of water bearing trap. Besides, the water trap design able to trap water or water vapor from directly enter the vacuum pump. Most importantly, the water trap has safety tools to protect a vacuum pump from broken and reduce the chances pump broken. In this picture, you can see that the water drop into the water trap in a vacuum pressure condition. So the conclusion for this project: first, objective of this project are to design, fabricate and test water trap on pipe fitting for inlet pump. Second, for methodology to achieve objective such as determine best location, use CAD modeling, fabrication and test performance. This project take 28 weeks of project planning. As you can see here, final year project 1, I took 2 weeks more from the planning at a literature review. This is because I must do a lot of previous study for this literature review. This is a final year project 2 planning. It took 8 weeks of fabrication because this is the very crucial part. It consider the procurement and the fabrication take a long time to be done. For the field testing, the planning take 3 weeks. And all the technical report and other is took 3 weeks also. The overall planning for the final year project 2 require 14 weeks. This is the reference that for the previous study in the literature review. Thank you for watching and listening. So for any inquiries, you can drop a comment below or contact me. That's all from me. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.